In this lesson, we're gonna talk about JavaScript objects. What's objects in JavaScript? I'm gonna tell you. Imagine you want to create some data about one man. For example, first name, last name, age, is he married or not? You're gonna do the following. Var first name equals to Leo. Var last name equals to Smith. Var age equals to 43. Var is married equals to true because he is married. Var has pet equals to false because he doesn't have any pets. To do this, we had to create 5 variables. Is there an approach better than this? Of course, there. And this approach called an object. Let me show you. You can just create one variable, var man equals to an object. Object is like this, 2 curly brackets, and inside this object you put the property and the value. For example, first name equals to Leo, and you have to add comma because if you don't add it, you will get a syntax error if you don't add this comma. If you have just type last name Smith and remove this comma, you will get a syntax error. So you have to add a comma as a separator between property and another. Okay, let's add age 43, is married true, has pet false. So we don't need those 5 variables and we have only one variable of type object. But now, how to access this data inside this object? That's pretty easy. You can use the object name dot any property that you want. For example, if you just select age, look here, now you have access to his age. It's 43. You can replace it with last name to get access to his last name, Smith, from Smith here. That's the first way to access an object property. There is another way. Console.log, let me show you. Just type the object name, just add the object name and add square brackets and add 2 double quotations and put any property name that you want. For example, first name or last name. Look here, Smith and Smith. So you can get access to his last name using this square brackets and 2 strings and 2 quotation marks. You can access age, for example. Look, we have here 43. How to add data to object? For example, I want to add to this man a blue eye. I mean the new property to refer to his eye color. Okay, that's easy. You can add it here, but no, I don't want to add it here. I want to add it, for example, here in this line. How to do this? That's very easy. You just add man dot and add the new property that you want. For example, eye color equals to blue. Now, if you console.log the man object, you will get 6 properties, and one of them is the eye color is blue. I want to add another property. For example, third name. Just type the object name dot the new property that you want equals to the new value that you want. For example, Felix. Now, if you see here in our console, we have a third name is Felix, and you can access it here. Man dot third name is Felix. What if I want to delete data from this object? For example, I want to delete has pet, this property. It's useless and I want to delete it. That's pretty easy. You just use delete keyword and just add the property name, man dot property name has pet. So if you console.log our object here, we have here only 6 property: first name, last name, age, is married, eye color, third name. If you remove this, look, we have here 7. Has pet exist, but if we add delete man.hasPet, we just have here 6 properties. You can also delete third name. Delete man dot third name. If you look here, we have here an object with 5 property: first name, last name, age, is married, eye color. There is no third name or has pet. How to update data inside object. For example, I want to change my first name. That's pretty easy. You can just add man dot first name equals to the new value. What's the new value? For example, new name. Look, if you have here first name, it's not Leo but is a new name. So the first name is new name. The last name is Smith. I want to change this Smith. That's easy. Just type man dot last name equals to changed, for example. So if you see in the console here, the first name and last name are not Leo Smith but is new name changed. Now if you see, we have a lot of changes to this object. We add here an eye color and third name, then we delete has pet property and deleted third name, and we changed the first name and last name. What if I want to freeze my object? I don't want anyone to change this object data. Can we do this? Yes, we can. You can just use object.freeze. Just object, type object.freeze, and inside those 2 parentheses just add the object name is man. So now if you look here, all the changes are gone. The first name is Leo, the last name is Smith, the age is 43, is married true, has pet false, and all those changes, the has pet isn't deleted, is not deleted, and the third name is not deleted, or even is not added, and the eye color is not added because we freezed our object. When we this line of code make this object can't be changed. That was our lesson today. It's maybe hard to beginners, so you can watch it again, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in next lesson.